In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload high quality edits using Handbrake. Handbrake is an incredibly versatile tool that can help optimize your video files for the best possible quality before uploading them online. Whether you're new to Handbrake or just want to refine your skills, this guide will walk you through the essential steps to get the most out of your video uploads. Let's get started by launching the Handbrake application. If you don't have it installed yet, you can easily download it from their website and follow the installation instructions. Once you have Handbrake up and running, it's time to add your video file to the application. You can do this by clicking on Open Source and selecting your video file, or simply dragging and dropping the file into the interface. It's straightforward and quick, so choose whichever method feels more comfortable for you. Next up is choosing a preset, which provides a good starting point for your video encoding. Handbrake offers a variety of preset options tailored to different needs. For high quality uploads, I recommend the Production Max preset. Alternatively, if you're targeting a specific platform like YouTube or Vimeo, you can select a preset that aligns with that platform's requirements. This ensures that your video is optimized for successful uploading and playback. It's time to dive into the video settings. Navigate to the video tab to adjust the key settings, starting with the video codec. The H.264 codec, also known as X.264, is a versatile choice for most needs, offering a great balance between quality and file size. However, if you're looking for better compression without sacrificing quality, you might want to consider using H.265. One crucial setting you'll want to pay attention to is the constant rate factor, or CRF. This setting determines the quality to file size ratio of your output video. The lower the CRF value, the higher the video quality, which also results in larger file sizes. For HD content, a CRF range between 18 and 23 is generally ideal. If you're working with 4K videos, consider going even lower, between 16 and 20, to ensure superior quality. Now, let's address the frame rate. It's typically best to set the frame rate to same as source to maintain consistency with the original video's motion and flow. Next, switch over to the Summary tab, where you can select your output format. MP4 is generally the recommended format for most platforms due to its compatibility and efficiency. Before starting the encoding process, make sure you choose a destination and file name for your output file. This helps you keep track of your edited video and organize your files effectively. Finally, click on Start Encode to initiate the process. Handbrake will do the heavy lifting, ensuring your video is ready to be uploaded with optimal quality. And there you have it, a complete guide to uploading high quality video edits using Handbrake. Enjoy your enhanced video uploads and happy editing!